Hi students, today we discuss the first 20 elements in a modern periodic table belongs to which group, which period and containing how many valency electrons. What is meant by valency electrons? The electrons which will be present in their outermost orbit of an element is called valency electrons. The electrons which will be present in a outermost orbit of an element is called valency electrons. First element is hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. So it containing 1 valency electrons. Here the number of valency electron is equals to its group number. So the hydrogen belongs to first A group and the outermost orbit of hydrogen is 1. So the outermost orbit belongs to period number. So the hydrogen is present in a first period. Helium. Helium atomic number 2. Its electronic configuration is 1s2. It contains 2 valency electrons, but it is not equals to second A group because the helium having the similar properties of the noble gas elements. So the noble gas elements belongs to 8th A group. So the helium will be placed in 8th A group in a modern periodic table. So the helium belongs to a 8th A group and the outermost orbit is equals to 1. So its period number is equals to 1. Helium is present in a first period and in 8th A group. Lithium atomic number 3. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1. The outermost orbit is second orbit and it contains 1 electron. So the number of valency electrons present in lithium is equals to 1. Here valency electrons number is equals to its group number. So the lithium belongs to first A group. Outermost orbit is 2. So it belongs to second period. Next, beryllium. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. I will be marked here with outermost orbit. So the beryllium containing 2 valency electrons. So here we can put 2. The number of valency electrons is equals to its group number. So the beryllium belongs to second A group and second period because the outermost orbit is 2. So it belongs to second period. Now boron. The boron electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p1. Here the outermost orbit is 2. So the boron belongs to second period. The number of valency electrons is equals to 3. So it belongs to third A group. The number of valency electrons is equals to its group number. So the boron belongs to third A group. Next, carbon. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. The outermost electrons, the outermost orbit of carbon is 2. So the carbon is present in second period. Here carbon containing 4 valency electrons. So carbon belongs to 4th A group in modern periodic table. Nitrogen. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p3. Here the nitrogen containing the outermost orbit electrons in second orbit. So it belongs to second period. Nitrogen belongs to second period. Valency electrons are 5. So the nitrogen belongs to 5th A group. Next, oxygen. Oxygen electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p4. The outermost orbit is the second orbit. Oxygen belongs to second period. Next, it containing 6 valency electron. So its group number is 6th A group. Oxygen present in 6th A group and in second period. Now fluorine. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p5. The outermost orbit is second orbit. The fluorine belongs to second period and it containing 7 valency electrons. So the fluorine is present in 7th A group, that is halogen group. Next, neon. Neon contains electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It will be present in second orbit. The valence electrons present in second orbit. So the neon belongs to second period. It contains 8 valency electrons. So neon is present in 8th A group or 0 group or noble gas group. Next, sodium. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Here the outermost orbit for sodium atom is 3. So the sodium present in third period. It containing only 1 valence electrons. So the sodium is present in first A group. Next, magnesium. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. The outermost orbit is third orbit. So the magnesium is present in third period. It contains 2 valency electrons. So it will be belongs to second A group. Next, aluminium. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. The outermost orbit is third orbit. So it will be belongs to third period containing 3 valency electron. So it will be belongs to a third A group. Next, silicon containing electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. The outermost orbit is third orbit. So the silicon is present in third period. Contains 4 valency electrons. So the silicon is present in a fourth A group. Next, phosphorus. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. The outermost orbit is third orbit. So the phosphorus is present in a third period. It contains 5 valency electrons. So the phosphorus present in a fifth A group. Next, sulfur containing electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Here the outermost orbit is third orbit. So sulfur belongs to third period. It contains 6 valence electrons. So the sulfur is present in 6th A group. Next, chlorine. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. The outermost orbit is third orbit. So the chlorine is present in third period. Contains 7 valence electrons. So it will be belongs to a 7th A group, nothing but halogen family group. Next, argon. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Here the outermost orbit is third orbit. So the argon is present in a third period and it contains 8 valence electron. So the argon is located in 8th A group in modern periodic table. Now, potassium. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. The last electron is present in fourth orbit. So the potassium is present in fourth period in a modern periodic table. It contains 1 valency electron. So the potassium is present in first A group. Now, calcium. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. The outermost orbit is fourth orbit. So the calcium is present in fourth period in a modern periodic table and it contains 2 valency electrons. So the calcium is present in second A group. In this way, we can easily identify the group, period and number of valency electrons present in first 20 elements of the modern periodic table. Thank you for watching this video.